to make your pet as tiny as an ant and as big as a giant robot. I mean, that big as a giant robot. So first, let's get starting with getting small. So first, you have to have the pink portion, and after that, you have to click the hug button and drink it at the same time. And oh no guys, it didn't work, but I'll do it again. Oh my god guys, I'm just tired of my pet. Okay guys, my portion is now over, so let's do it again with, oh, not this portion, the pink one. Okay, now you have to tap on the pet and go. Now you belittle and you carry your pet. Oh my god guys, the pet is so tiny. And then you have to remove the pet from your hand. Oh my god guys, it's so cute. So guys, that's how you make it little, and it's endless guys. Of course it's endless. So let's do it again. But it will be so tiny guys to eat me. Oh, yeah, it will be some hard guys doing this. Oh my god guys. Wait, why is this much big rainbow coming from it? It's so tiny guys now though. So guys, let me wait till my portion is over. Okay guys, my portion is over and it's so tiny. Mommy. Oh my god, it's so tiny. So guys, you have to reload the game to do it as normal size. So now let's go with a big one back. So guys, now I've bought my unicorn as normal size. So now let's go with the big bug. For this big bug, I'm gonna take some giant portion. So we have to take the giant portion. So guys, now you have to hold your pet. And it's the same thing guys, nothing to worry. It's just the same thing, but it will be giant. And this is quite easy guys, you'll be able to get big, and I'll show you in the max size. But I've not did the record, or it was whole on that island guys. Whole of that island, I managed to do that big. It covered all of these islands guys, all of these 2 islands. So, but as you can see, I have 70 of giant portions guys. So I'm gonna take more too, and see my coins guys. I was having 20,000 and this unicorn pet took that many portions to do it bigger, and now I don't have any portions. So make it again. Oh, yeah. Oh, waste of 1 portion. No, but still it's okay guys. We can also recover again. So let's. What's happening? I can not able to tap it. Tap the unicorn. I'm not able to tap it. Oh yeah, I'm in the portion, right? Okay, now let's do this again guys, but this is my last and final big portion. Wait, I have big portions still left. Drink it and hold it. Drink and hold. This is not working, why? Okay, now it will work. Guys, this is more bigger than the last one. Oh my my god, it's already it's big, but this is small for me, guys, because it was covering all of those islands, guys, and I was doing the crazy run, and it was so big. And it didn't also put, it was cover all of the crazy run plays. So let's do it 2 times more, and let's see. So guys, I just have these many of them portions, and it's already looking this much big. But this is not for my guys, because that unicorn covered all of that island, guys. And I took a record of that, guys. And I've not done till now, guys, but it has lost that record, guys. But this unicorn pet is so please give a like to this video, please subscribe to my channel, and